Trying Cane's with butter chicken for the first time. Yes, sir. I got everything. Look at that beautiful Cane's with some butter chicken. The butter chicken been going viral. Did the Dave's Hot Chicken, but nobody ever did the Cane's. Let's give it a shot. Yes, sir. Okay, I got my chicken right here. Everyone says that Cane's doesn't like put salt and stuff, but let's give it a shot with the butter chicken. Yo, no one ever did this. Let's try another tender out. The butter chicken. Oh, look at that. That's so good. Made with love. The butter chicken is butter chicken. Okay, let's try my bread out. Yo, that butter chicken really make everything better. Okay, let's try these fries out. All right, Canes. Look at these fries, bro. Like, come on. These joints mad white, bro. Like, let's give it a shot, though. These sauces have no seasoning, but the butter chicken is butter chicken. Let's try a tender out with cane sauce in it. With the butter chicken. That's so good. That's a 10 out of 10. This is amazing.